Get ready for the dictation. Start. It is apparent from the report that all these objections were dealt with, holding that there was no question of any malefides in the acquisition stop. It has also been held that the acquisition for the public purpose of planned housing development is very much a public purpose stop. The said acquisition has been justified on account of increase in the population and fast industrial development which required the availability of the houses for the persons of middle income group and lower income group and of scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and backward class stop. The other objection raised was that the land was not suited for the public purpose since there was 16-year-old village abadi of about 1.5 acre and there were number of trees on 2.5 acre land stop. That question has also been dealt with in details, holding that the Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority would develop public park, school and playground on the acquired land stop. Even the objections raised by one Devendra Nath Bhargava have been considered in details by the land acquisition officer stop. We are quite convicted that all this could not have been possible unless the appellants were heard and their objections were considered in details stop. The Land Senior Counsel appearing for the appellants urged that this court had invited the original report and the original report did not show the factum of hearing stop. We have seen the original report and the order sheet stop. Indeed, there are dates given after the first date on which date some of the objectors were also present stop. There are some missing pages stop. However, it is specifically mentioned in the report that the objectors have been heard stop. In our opinion, once the original report suggests that the objectors were heard, there is no point in urging that the appellants were not heard stop. Shri Vikas Singh, Land Senior Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority, respondent number 3, relied on the decision in J. Bheri Properties Private Limited and others versus State of Andhra Pradesh and organizations stop. The observations made in para 42 where this court had specifically held that the contention raised on behalf of the appellants about hearing not afforded to the objectors was refuted on the ground that the objections filed were duly considered by the special Deputy Collector and rejected by his order dated 21/7/2006 stop. Since we have seen the original report in this case, we are of the opinion that not only was the hearing afforded but all the objections have been specifically considered stop. The counter affidavit shows a document where the objectors have been invited for the hearing on a fixed date, that is 17/9/1991 stop. We are of the clear opinion that not only the objectors were heard but their objections were also decided stop. This contention raised on behalf of the appellants is rejected stop. As regards the affidavit of the lawyer appearing on behalf of the appellants in land acquisition proceedings, we have gone through the affidavit stop. It is, however, completely bereft of the dates and other details stop. We therefore do not find it fit to rely upon the same stop. The second contention raised by Shri Lalit Land Senior Counsel is that though the acquisition proceedings are over and the award is also passed, the possession has not been taken at all stop. The Land Senior Counsel pointed out, relying on the decision, that as per the majority view expressed by Bhagwati and Gupta ji, it is the physical possession which should be taken in pursuance of the land acquisition and not only symbolical possession or paper possession stop. As regards the affidavit of the lawyer appearing on behalf of the appellants in land acquisition proceedings, we have gone through the affidavit stop. It is, however, completely bereft of the dates and other details stop. We therefore do not find it fit to rely upon the same stop. The Land Senior Counsel also relied on the report to suggest that in spite of the acquisition, still the revenue entries were in favor of the appellants, showing their possession and the cultivation by them in respect of the land stop. Sri Lalit tried to show some photographs suggesting therein that the wicket gate had the lock of the appellants and thus contended that the possession still continues with the appellants stop. In fact, it is a question of fact as to whether the possession has been taken or not stop. However, the respondents have produced the possession received where it is suggested that the possession was taken by the officers after going on the spot stop. Sri Vikas Singh, Land Senior Counsel, appearing on behalf of Mathura Vrindavan Development Authority, pointed out that it would be impossible for the collector or revenue officers to enter each bighha of land for taking possession thereof stop.